Hi guys! So this is the 12th part of our basic web development series. So in this part, we focus on learning about the CSS links. So basically sa part na to, pag-aaralan natin kung paano ba natin bibigyan ng style yung mga links natin once we try of hover over a link o di kaya once we click on it. So ano yung magiging style natin. So those are the things na pag-aaralan natin ngayong araw. Okay? Okay, so CSS links. Links can be styled with any CSS property, example given, yung color, font family, text decoration, etc. So we have here yung sample code. So it tries to access yung element name niya. Then ito naman yung sample link. Output niya. Okay, now let's go to my code. So I have here the first file. So gumawa ako actually ng dalawang file. For this one, the new page.html and yung pinaka-homepage ko. Kasi we are trying to work with the links naman. Okay, so I have here yung CSS file ko. So dito ko pa rin i-work yung mga CSS style natin. So let's try to implement yung sample kanina. So A, so I try to access using the element name, then color of red. Save. Go to, let me try to run my website. Ayan, so let me try to zoom. So ito na yung link natin. So may underline siya. Gusto kong alisin yung underline. Text decoration, none. So this part of the property, so napag-aralan natin to on our previous videos. Okay, so refresh. Yan. Okay, so it works. So next tayo. So in addition, links can be styled differently depending on what state they are in. There are 4 link states, like yung link, a normal or unvisited link, visited, a link that user has visited, hover, a link when the user mouse over it, and active, a link the moment it is clicked. Okay, so we have here yung sample. So this is how we do it. So yung selector, colon, then link. So this can be a class selector, then colon, then link mo. Then dito naman yung colon at saka visited for visited link. Then meron naman tayo dito yung once mag-mouse over tayo sa isang link, yung colon hover. Then once we select, or basically once we press on the link, then that's the active one. Okay, so this particular arrangement should be it will not be disarranged. Okay, it should not be rearranged. So you should follow kung ano yung pagkaka-arrange nito. It should start at the link, followed by the visited, followed by the hover, and the last one is the active. Okay, otherwise kung hindi mo i-follow yung arrangement niya, it might not work properly pagdating sa mga link style mo. Okay? So, let's proceed. Let's go to the... Okay, so in our homepage, we have this link. So, I can access that one through this one, right? So, ngayon, gagawin ko is I'm going to manage yung unvisited part muna. So, gusto kong magkaroon siya ng kulay na yung text color, sabihin natin red. At yung background color, sabihin kong yellow. So, once I try to hover, hindi muna. Dapat visited muna. Visited. So, once na-visit na yung isang link, then sabihin kong gusto kong white at saka yung ilagay ko dito yung background color, sabihin kong green. Then next is yung hover. Then white pa rin yung text, sabihin kong red dito. Then dito naman is yung active. So white, baba, sabihin blue. Yan. Okay, so let's try our link. Refresh tayo. What will happen? So the yellow was the link, yung unvisited. So once mag-hover ako, na pupunta siya dito. So, once mag-press ako, blue naman. So, nag-redirect siya sa isang page. Kasi active yung page natin. Yan. So, dito yung blue. Ngayon, yung page dito is na-visit na. Kaya yung in-implement niyang style was already this one. Kasi na-visit na natin yung page. Okay? So, lagyan ko nga ng padding yung link natin para at least maganda siya tingnan. Sabihin ko 10 pixels. Refresh. Okay. So, once I click on that one, hover, back, yun, hover, click, nagiging blue, pupunta dito. Okay? So, that's how yung mga state works. Okay? So, it's not limited to background color or color lang, or text color niya. We can set yung mga border. Sabihin natin, alisin ko to. Ibahin natin yung code. Ngayon naman, let's try to manage yung border instead na background color. So, maglagay ako ng border. Sabihin kong 5 pixels yung kapal ng border niya. Then, solid means solid. Then, lagyan ko ng kulay na sabihin kong black at the moment. Refresh. Yan. So, yung gusto ko mangyari is that gusto ko yung para siyang naka-curve. So, I can manage that through border radius. And, lagyan ko, sabihin kong 20 pixels. Yan. So, once I click this one, yan. So, gusto ko, every time minamanipulate ko dito sa mga visited, gusto kong baguhin yung kulay. So, yung border color, dito, gusto ko, so by default it is black. Then, yung next, yung visited, gusto ko siyang maging green. So, maging green na ito kasi na-visit na yung link natin. So, next is yung hover. Sabihin kong blue, yellow. Ano ba kanina? Red. Then, dito is once active, sabihin natin blue. Save. Hover. Click. Redirect. Okay. So, that's how we manage yung mga border. Ngayon, hindi required na lahat ng state kailangan ilagay. Usually, yung nilalagay lang is hover. Pwede na natin i-remove to. At saka i-remove din to. Then, save. O, every time na hover, nag-change ako. When hover, nag-change yung style natin. Okay? So, usually, ganun. Hindi mo kailangan i-display lahat ng state kahit yung hover lang. That's already okay. Okay? So, let's say, background color, ibalik natin. Pero, meron pa rin siyang border. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyari. I-remove natin yung border color. Walang nangyari. Pero if I try to put background color on it, sabihin ko yellow. Flash. So, meron pa rin. Naka-border radius pa rin siya. And yung hover, of course, background color yung imamanipulate natin. Sabihin natin green. Then, of course, yung text color dapat lighter. Sabihin natin white. Sabihin ko na lang yellow para contrast. Okay, save, refresh. Hover, nagiging yellow. Hover, nagiging green, tsaka yellow. Okay? So, yun. So, I hope you learned something new today, guys, pagdating sa mga CSS links. So, there are a lot of things na pwede natin gawin para dyan. So, just like I always say, guys, just keep practicing. Masanay din tayo sa paggawa ng mga website. And never stop learning. Okay? So, let's call it a day. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.